This is a lesson on how to blend your colors in Photoshop. Go ahead and open a new document. I'm going to use the print settings and choose a letter size at 300 dpi. I'm going to take the background layer, click the unlock, and then the full lock so that we can't draw on it, and choose a new layer. If you want, you can make an outline for your drawing. Get a regular brush, click into the brush settings, and perhaps pick a hard round. I'm going to just draw an outline drawing with this. I'm going to use the square brackets to change the size of my brush, and I'm going to change the color by clicking on the color wheel. I'm just going to get a black outline for my drawing. Label your layer outlines. I'm going to also lock that layer so that I don't put paint on it, because I'm not going to keep it. Go ahead and make a new layer. I'm going to label color. Double click on the color wheel. I'm going to pick a nice bright green color, something like this. Click OK. I'm going to click on the brush tool, and in the brush panel up here, I'm going to pick a round soft brush. Use your square brackets to increase or decrease the size of your brush. I'm going to go ahead and with 100% opacity, my flow at 90, I'm going to go ahead and fill in this area with a nice green color. And go ahead and get the color picker, and I'm going to get a nice darker color like this. And same brush, I'm going to color in this side like this. It's a pretty hard edge. We want to blend this a bit. So what I do is I click the letter I for eyedropper, suck up some of the color that's in here, turn the opacity, go back to B for brush. Up here, turn the opacity down quite a bit and make my brush a little bit bigger, and I can start to blend these colors here. Select I again, and you can choose further colors. B again, changing the opacity down a bit, and you can just really blend those in. You can even make a new layer and add in some of the, choose a darker color that we don't have to add some shadows. Drag the layer underneath and